Hi everyone, it's Tiffany here to do a recap. I traded work this morning. It was not on my watch list. However, it was on the gappers this morning, and I had it like way down at the bottom of my list. I didn't really like it. Didn't have any volume pre-market, but I did have it at the bottom of my list just in case the volume did come in because it had gapped down. That is my cat in the background. So anyhow, I saw that it opened quite weak on the 15-minute chart. This first 15-minute candle closed was a nice bear candle, and so I was watching to see how it came back and treated the VWAP, and it did start. It did push up through the VWAP. However, it looked like it was going to be a false breakout. And once it came back down and lost the VWAP, as you can see, these on the 5-minute chart, the 5-minute candles kept closing below the VWAP, and these wicks trying to push up, it just looked really weak to me. And then you have this candle right here on the 1 minute with the large wick, and then this the one following was a nice bear candle. So once I saw that it was losing the VWAP, I went short. I almost did not take this short because it made a new 15-minute high here on this candle, but all of my other charts, it looked very weak. And then it started dropping really nicely with the SPY. I had my stop loss above the 50 moving average on the 1 minute chart. And then, as you can see, I took my partials at levels I have marked from the daily. I was going to take my first partial at 31.70, but it just looked really weak and went right through that. But when it did make a new high on the 1 minute, I went ahead and partialed, and then I took the rest of my partials at levels that I had marked on the daily. At this 30.50 level, I had almost, I was mostly out of shares after that partial. So my plan was to I was going to go all out at this 30 level, or when it started looking like it was going to reverse, I was going to exit my position, and that's what ended up happening. As you can see on the 15-minute, it made a new high, and on the 1 minute, it found a bottom right here, and this 9 and 20 started moving up, and the 50 came down to meet it. So, and then there was a really large candle on the 5 minute that closed, bull candle. So I went ahead and exited my position, and the SPY was turning around as well. So that was my work trade today. I hope you all had a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Bye.